Okay, we're going to finish up this first page of 1B notes. I've written down the answer here that I had forgotten on the first part, so just wanted to let you know that 12 times 3.14 will give me a circumference of 37.68. What is area? Area is covering a space of a flat surface. So how do we find area of a circle? I'm sure you've heard of this one before. Pi r squared, okay, which basically means I'm going to take pi times radius times the radius. Okay, and normally we're going to do the exponent part first, so we're going to take the radius times the radius. We're going to square the radius. So find the area of the circle, the exact one. So the formula needs the radius. When I look at this circle here, the 7 is the radius. So the formula, pi r squared, is going to be pi 7 squared. I'm going to do that number first, so 49 pi. That would be the exact answer. The rounded answer would be when I take 49 pi and I actually multiply it out. So 49 times 3.14 is going to give me 153.86. Now I want to, excuse me, I want to make caution here that if I actually punch this into my calculator, this is my result. However, if I do this and use the pi button on my calculator, it'll give me just a little bit different answer, not a whole lot, but over several different steps it might make a lot of difference. I'm just going to show you on the calculator here. Okay, so get it out of the bright light there. So 49, and then the pi button is over here on the left side, and it looks just like a pi. And when I click on it, that means 49 times pi. And push equals, you can see it kind of gives me a big long decimal. It's a little bit different because here they're rounding off to more decimal places than just 3.14. So it's probably easiest to do this one, but just realize that sometimes the answers might be just a little bit different just because of the rounding. This one, the last circle down here, so we want to find the area. Area requires us to use the radius. So this one's showing all the way across the circle, which is the diameter. So the radius is going to be half of that, so that's going to be 2 meters. The formula is pi r squared. Pi, and r is 2 squared. 2 squared is 4 pi. There's my exact. If I want to take 4 pi and actually multiply it out, I'm going to get 12.56. Okay, and so depending on what they're asking you to do, if they want the exact answer, you just leave it like that. If they want a more rounded answer or maybe an application type problem, you would probably go for an answer like this. So that's the notes for 1B, dealing with circumference and area. If you have any questions, please let me know.